Hello everyone and welcome in today's video where we're going to learn about abstract classes and pure virtual functions. Abstract class is a class with a pure virtual function. What is a pure virtual function? Here we see that we have a virtual function, but it's not pure. Why is that? It's not a pure virtual function because it's returning code in its body. When this virtual function does not return any type of code, that is called a pure virtual function. Also, whenever we are programming and we are using polymorphism, if we make an object from the enemy class and try to use the attack function, it will go up to the enemy class and call this attack function. But since it's virtual, the compiler goes down and checks what we are pointing to. And if one of the class overrides this virtual function, then it uses that. But even though we inherit the attack function, we overrode it in our derived classes. So what we will cover else? Simply, if you have a virtual function, you have a chance of overwriting it. But if we don't, we still have the virtual function displaying that we inherited. And when we make a virtual function, we need to override it, of course. And here, as you see, everything is normal. We haven't done nothing. So now when we run this code, let's see what we display. Ninja attack, monster attack. It's basically the same thing, but we covered a few topics. So thank you for watching. That's all for this video and stay tuned for more.